Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Explore with us. So today I'm going to take you on a captivating 1 hour boat tour of the breathtaking Thousand Islands in Kingston. We'll be embarking on a city cruise from Gananoque, and within the video you will find all the ticket information you need along with some intriguing facts about the stunning destination. But before we dive into this incredible journey, let's cover some important details. So, for example, if you're wondering about parking, there's a convenient and an ample parking lot available for just around $9 and $10. And in case you have little adventurers or kids traveling with you, there's a dedicated park area for kids to enjoy while you prepare for the cruise. Now, let's talk about some cruise essentials. So, you don't have to worry about the facilities during the tour because the cruise is equipped with washrooms for your comfort, and the cruise also features a full cash bar, offering a delightful selection of beverages and assorted snack items available for purchase while you soak in the mesmerizing views. And by the way, during the tour, you will hear the audio commentary in both English and French language on the fascinating facts about this island. So, with this, we are all set for an extraordinary adventure. Let's dive into this unforgettable experience. Enjoy the ride, everyone. Thank you. Welcome to the Gananoque Thousand Islands boat tour. Let's dive into some fun facts about these islands as we sail through this incredible place. Gananoque Boat Line offers boat tours in the stunning region of the Thousand Islands between Canada and the United States along the St. Lawrence River. Gananoque Boat Line offers a variety of boat tours to explore the islands. These cruises often highlight the natural beauty, historic sites, and architecture of the islands. Did you know that there are way more than 1,000 islands here? Yes, over 1,800 of them. It's like a hidden island treasure waiting to be explored. The duration of the boat tours can vary, ranging from shorter 1 hour cruises to longer excursions that offer more in-depth exploration. The Gananoque boat line tours typically operate during the warmer months from spring to fall when the weather is conducive to cruising. The Thousand Island boat tours provide excellent photography opportunities with breathtaking scenery and unique landmarks along the way. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it.